So the way I understand it, those tornado warnings, they sound those alarms every now and then just to make sure that the system's working. And if it was one long, steady tone, that's the tone you have to worry about. Still a little unnerving, I'm not gonna lie. That is a spot right there. Got tables, chairs, fireplace, barbecue, full hookups. My spot over here doesn't quite have those same amenities, but I have a feeling this one is for VIPs. I'm not very VIP, and I will not complain about this spot one little bit. Free hookups, water, sewer, power, 30 amp, 50 amp, and it's free. Well, sort of free. You have to be a member of a club. Well, not really a club. You have to be a customer of a business. And if you have a tow bar, chances are you might be a customer of this business. I'm not naming names. I'm just saying. I rolled in here yesterday. Had planned on staying 2 days. Found this spot at Blue Ox. They have their own RV park. The factory is right over there. That's the big white building you can see over there. That's the Blue Ox factory. And sadly, I was hoping to do a plant tour and I could film that. That is on Thursday mornings. You have to be here bright and early Thursday mornings, and you can get in on the plant tour. Unfortunately, today is Friday. I missed it yesterday. I wasn't here, didn't get here in time. But I did get here in time for the weekend. It has been a great few days staying here. Blue Ox, this is a beautiful park, and it's free to Blue Ox customers, which I've been for probably about 10 years now with the tow bar. But there are fifth wheel hitches, there are bumper pull hitches, stabilizers. You can see a little bit in their community room, their showroom, you might say, that's right here at the park. The factory has been quiet this weekend. It is Sunday and I've got to get rolling. Unfortunately, I can't stay any longer. Sounds like they said I could stay for a week. But I started washing the coach yesterday, and I managed to get the front and the sides over here. I knocked off, broke a couple of side markers with my brush. I got another one down here, so I'm gonna have to fix that at some point. Got a little bit of washing left to do over on the driver's side. See if I can't get that one done and then roll out of here. It's getting a little windy and a little chilly. You can see I've got my coat on, but time to do a little more washing. You can see all the leaves falling. Definitely fall. You can feel it now. I felt really fortunate over the entire trip across the northern states. It has been 80s and a couple of 90s, a couple of days at 90 degree, but I think that is short-lived. It's supposed to be some cold weather coming through, so it's time to get rolling and get a little bit farther on down the road. It's Sunday. I think I will be in Omaha tonight. I'm not entirely sure. Got a couple of places that I need to check on the way there. I got to get to washing and then get out of here. Do have my coffee though. Good morning. Beautiful place. Thanks, Blue Ox. It's been a nice stay. Really appreciate it.